Good morning, EI Day Traders. Today is Tuesday, May 24th, and I just want to do a quick recap before I get out the house for the day. In our coaching program that we talked about yesterday, and if you haven't joined the coaching program, it is a great way to kind of tighten up your community and level up in terms of getting a deeper understanding of your trading. One of the things that we talked about yesterday in the coaching program is the best opportunity to take trades. And everyone has learned in their basic education about, taking trades, whether to the downside or to the upside. But we learned about that, it may take our scalps just a little bit longer to manifest. And so you look at the opening bell at 6:30, we're always a little suspect of the first candle. So we like to give the first candle opportunity to do what it do. But if you see when the second candle opened, and if you followed the strategy, well, okay, you're below the EMA, the MACD is crossed over, you take a trade here, and then you placed your stop loss above the EMA, you can see for the next 10, 20, 35 minutes that it never came back to wherever your stop would have been at. And so I say that to say is that you could have had scalps all the way down in this particular area. Even when it reversed a little bit, you wouldn't have got spooked because your stop loss was back here. And then at any given time, you could have taken your scalps. Now, this is on the NASDAQ, okay? I'm experimenting with a new strategy where I am going to the NASDAQ and getting 5 contracts on the micro, which is $2 a contract, which means that's $10 a point. I'm choosing to do that because the NASDAQ moves pretty fast and I'm trying to get more familiar with it because as you can see, since the open is down 400 points. So I was able to get 50 something points out of it this morning. So I got about 572. And then I'm going to go ahead, even though there's a lot more happening, I'm going to go ahead and stop with that for the day because I'm getting myself familiar with it. But if we go over to the M2K where most of you are trading, same concept, right? If you jumped in on the candle below the second candle, because we always lose suspect of the first one, and say you got in at the 1771, well, right now it's down to 1748 and it's 709. So we're not even an hour into the trading day, and there is that's like 1770 all the way down to 1748. And we're talking about 20 plus points easily, within an hour. And so you could have had some good scalping going on here. And so just wanted to share that with you guys. I hope you have a good, successful trading day. Please go ahead and share your experience. Whether you got a good trade or not, let's talk about it, because if you post them, I can give you a little bit of feedback on them. And if you want to take a deeper dive, then you can come on over to the coaching program. All right, you guys, happy trading.